In this video I take a long tour of one of the most spectacular places in Germany, the Bastei in Saxon Switzerland. The Bastei is a rock formation with a viewing platform at a height of 305 meters in Saxon Switzerland, on the right bank of the Elbe, in the municipality of Lohmen, between the spa town of Rathen and the town of Wehlen. It is one of the most visited tourist attractions in Saxon Switzerland. From the Bastei, the narrow rocky reef drops steeply about 190 meters to the Elbe. It offers a wide view of the Elbe Valley and the Elbe Sandstone Mountains. The Bastei, the viewing point in the Elbe Sandstone Mountains, is the oldest and most famous tourist attraction in Saxon Switzerland. There is a hotel with a restaurant on the plateau behind the Bastei. The Bastei area with several viewpoints is freely accessible all year round. I hope you enjoyed the tour and would be very happy if you give me a comment and a thumbs up to support my channel.